What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. It's your boy Jingle Mike here. Hey, check it out. I'm gonna walk you guys through a very simple repair on my Mercury 50 horsepower outboard engine over there. I got to replace the propeller, the prop for short. It's probably like the third time I've had to do it, because when you fish as much as me and you're out on the water as much as me and you're zipping across these lakes, it's inevitable you're going to accidentally hit something out there. Especially, we just had a rainstorm kind of blow through, and that's going to bring a lot of debris, like in some of those like lakes where they have runoff and whatnot. And just like with summertime use coming up, people out on the lakes, you know, umbrellas get blown into the water, you don't see them. Just, it doesn't take much. But anyways, long story short, I'm just going to show you how to do this repair. It's really simple. It's really important though, if you do notice damage on your prop, that you replace it right away, because even though it might look minor, see that right there, even though it doesn't look like much, that will throw off the balance, and eventually if the balance is too far off, it's going to mess up your drive shaft inside here, and that's going to be really expensive. And so it's just better to pop these things off as soon as possible and replace it. If you look on your engine, you'll have your model number, serial number, so always use that to verify any parts you're going to get. And then they have the little gear ratio here. That's good information to know as well, so you're getting the right kind of prop. And if you have a good boat supply nearby, you know, they'll walk you through it. I'm fortunate enough that there's a few places around here I can get parts from. But the repair is like really easy. You got lock tabs here on the nut. You'll pop those off. You'll basically just stick a ratchet on this thing and then brace this with like a piece of wood while you break the nut and pull it off. It comes right out. There's this piece here. Make sure to save this stuff and match it up. What I'm going to do first is I got to go pick up the part still, so I'm going to pop this guy off first and then take it with me to go pick up the part, so I can check it right then and there to save ourselves a little bit of time. And that's pretty much it. It's a real easy repair. And then the main thing to remember is, as soon as you notice this, don't run your engine. Like, really try not to. Just pop it off right away, because you can do serious damage to the lower unit if you don't replace it. If you leave it on there and it's wobbling, and it's just one of those things, you can't fix it, you got to replace it. So let's pop this thing off. Just like that. Pretty easy. When I get the new one, I'm going to clean this area and re-grease it. But the shaft isn't wiggling. It's got no movement, which is good. There's the lock pin still in there. I'm going to keep all this stuff, the spacer and the nut, so I can compare the whole kit from the replacement kit that I'm supposed to get from this company. So yeah, 15/16 for the nut. I actually make it a point to always keep an extra 15/16 with the boat at all times, in case there's ever an issue where I got to pop this thing off. Yeah, let's rock and roll. Let's go pick up that part. All right, so we're back here. Got my parts. I went yesterday to pick up a prop, but the one that they had in stock was not the one for mine, so had to order this bad boy, but it came next day, so I can't beat that. Got it from my friends at Last Chance in Hemet. Great place. One of the few bait shops you can go to where they don't treat you like crap, so that's kind of nice. Thank you guys for hooking it up, and also for the rod repair, Matt. Thank you, appreciate that too. So I noticed that this thing came with the hub kit, so I need to put that together and then the prop by itself. So the last time I've had to replace this thing like 3 times. The last few times I did it, it all came already pre-assembled, so it doesn't look too complicated. But I got the instructions. Let's see what happens. Hopefully I can do this thing right. All right, so we got the prop, the hub kit, a new nut, lock nut, and an O-ring. So let's see what we got. All right, so I dropped the little shaft inside the propeller. I'm gonna put this on first, slide this bad boy on, put the cap, and then bolt, and lock it in. yeah, that's it. That's all she wrote. I mean, once you have the parts, it's like a really smooth, seamless repair. Unfortunately, it's getting a little too late in the afternoon, and they just released a wind advisory, so I'm not able to run it today. I mean, I could put the earmuffs and run it, but I don't really want to. So I think maybe later this weekend or next week, I'll take it out for a spin and give it a test. But it's pretty simple. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. So anyways, thanks for watching. Go catching fish.